Hey guys, back with another video. Before we get started, make sure y'all subscribe, hit the big fat thumbs up, notification bell, type down in the comments below.
Yes.
So, my mom is going to be eating some Twizzlers.
Yes, y'all. Do y'all see this? I love these things. Whoop, I dropped.
Oh, and guys,
Gabby, what are you doing? See, they won't even let me eat my
guys,
stuff.
my mom, she trying to trick me and say it's candy powder, but it's actually cornstarch.
No, it's not. It's candy powder.
It's cornstarch.
With my... Hush, girl. I'm putting both of these together.
cornstarch.
No, it's not. Stop it. I put my Twizzlers. I'm finna put it and dip them in my candy powder.
Cornstarch.
It's not cornstarch.
That's why you struggling.
Struggling what,
To
girl?
pull them out.
No, they just together. Look at this, y'all.
Ew, that looks...
She talking. Don't that look good, y'all?
Hey, cornstarch baked people. Too.
Mm-hmm.
Her ear cornstarch, Nene.
She's
I know
mad.
she's eating cornstarch.
She's mad.
That's not baby powder. That's
She just mad. She just mad. Good. This is good, y'all. Wait a minute, baby. Wait a minute, baby. Oh. Wait a minute.
Bye, guys.
Everybody wants to come in. Bless you, baby.
Now we're about to go jump, Mom.
Yeah. Everybody's coming in. This is good.
Ma, eat cornstarch.
Wait a minute, take my shirt off. I'll pull my shirt off, girl.
Low, get the other one.
I'll take
Ready,
it off.
set.
Okay. Hold on. Hold on. Y'all about to pull my neck off. Y'all about to pull my whole back off. Hold on. I didn't say pull my down shirt like that. I said help. Somebody help me, please. Ow. Wait. Don't pull it like that. You gonna pull my darn neck off. What you doing? Stop pulling that so tight. Now pull my neck off. Let's take this off. Wait! Don't pull it so hard! Now pull my darn neck off! Why you do your mama like that? Girl, I don't even feel good to y'all. Just about to just mess up with it. And then just throw it. This girl just throw that in my face. Why you do that for? I'd whoop your tail. I sitting up here trying to eat my cornstarch. Oh, I gotta finish eating my cornstarch. Sit down.
Wait,
Y'all done got on my nerves. That made my head hurt. Stop. Y'all made my head hurt even more. Y'all got nerve and pour the thing all over my head. That made my head hurt even more. Stop. I'm right on sin. I'm trying to drink my stuff.
Well, you said pull it off, so I pulled it off softly.
I ain't say hurt my neck and stuff, girl.
But
you
I
gonna
did
hurt
it
my darn
softly.
neck, girl.
I did
You
it
ain't doing
softly.
something. You gonna pull it talking about hurt my neck.
Why you talking so?
These darn churn. Don't hurt my darn neck like that. Then got me just look at my face. I'm frowning. Cause it hurt all back there. And then y'all gonna do that to y'all mom. How y'all do that? I hurt.
And then Lovey choked it down your throat.
Gonna hurt my neck like that.
Guys,
That make no sense.
Guys, my brother chugged that drink down her throat.
I'm trying to sit here. eat my things and stuff, and then y'all do me like that. Why y'all do y'all mama like that? Y'all supposed to be having me knowing I don't feel good, and then gonna treat me like that. That's okay then. That's okay. What? Y'all ain't got no respect for grown-ups. Y'all been shaming y'all self. Take your little behind y'all. Hey. I'm gonna help y'all. They sure ain't got no respect nowadays. They do all kinds of stuff. I'm sick of y'all.
Just drink it.
That's my stuff. I'm trying to get my cornstarch. My nerve. Come on, boy. Put